Monitoring your test equipment on a frequent basis is crucial for accurate results. In accordance with ISO 8655, the internationally recognized standard for assessing piston-operated liquid handling instruments, the recommended calibration method involves gravimetry. It's essential to perform precise testing and calibration for liquid handling devices, and it's not advisable to rely on alternative methods, such as using a graduated cylinder to evaluate a dispenser's performance. Conducting accurate gravimetric measurements demands a few essential tools. Minimal equipment necessary for volume testing: thermometer, water distilled or deionized, balance, narrow mouth weighing vessel. The electronic balance should have the recommended accuracy for better results. Recommended accuracy for thermometer. Let's get started. Adjust the knob to select the volume you want to dispense, which is 50 milliliters in this instance. Dispense 10 full volumes of distilled or deionized water at different volume ranges. As recommended in the table, onto an electronic balance in the flask and record the results in test recorded sheet. Next, calculate the average weight from the 10 readings. To convert this mean weight into mean volume, you'll need to multiply it by a factor known as Z factor. Refer the provided table to find the appropriate Z factor. Then, use the provided formula to perform the calculation. Afterward, compare the gravimetric average result with the displayed volume. If there's a significant difference, it's time to recalibrate the dispenser. For recalibration, remove the safety cap. You will see the calibration ring. To fine-tune the calibration, turn the calibration knob clockwise to reduce the volume or counterclockwise to increase it. Keep repeating this adjustment process until you reach the desired volume as displayed on the electronic balance. After successfully calibrating the instrument, remember to reattach the safety cap.